November 12, 1942. Richmond, California. A full cargo ship, 441 feet long, weighing 28,490 tons, stood poised to slide into San Francisco Bay from Permanente Metals Corporation, Yard Number 2. Built in just 4 days, 15 hours, 29 minutes. Old shipyards took 6 to 8 months since the American Revolution, yet here, a complete Liberty ship waited. Over 1,000 workers stepped back from the hull of the SS Robert E. Peary. Not seasoned shipwrights, not maritime masters, but ex-secretaries, farmers, laborers, trained in welding weeks ago. Officials, reporters, rival yard bosses watched. This launch sparked industrial revolution. American manufacturing math rewrote Allied victory. Not in battle plans, in production stats smashing shipbuilding myths. Time limits, possibility caps. The shift started December 27th, 1940. Henry J. Kaiser signed his first ship contract. Never built a ship, never ran a yard, built dams, roads across the West. 58-year-old mogul promised the United States Maritime Commission 30 cargo ships for Britain in 2 years. Old builders scoffed. Naive fool. Todd Bath Iron Works, America's oldest yard, teamed up reluctantly. Their skill would fix his greenness. None saw his ignorance as edge. William Francis Gibbs watched. Top naval architect. Gibbs and Cox drew Liberty plans from British designs. Designed more ships than Kaiser ever saw. Skepticism to revolution brewed in Todd Shipyards, New York. Early 1941, Kaiser eyed old methods. Knew they failed war needs. Chief Engineer Clay Bedford toured Ford's Detroit line weeks prior. Saw car frames glide. Workers snap paper parts. Convinced, ships same way. Old builders laughed. Absurd. First jolt. Ditch rivets. Old builds used heated pins hammered through plates. Top crews hit 100 rivets daily. Each Liberty needed 1 million. Kaiser pushed electric arc welding, mastered on Western pipelines. Vice Admiral Emory Land, Maritime Commission head, doubted hard. Archives hold his words. Welding unproven for big holes. British Navy bans it on warships. Kaiser bets supply lines on gamble. But desperation ruled. German U-boats sank 3.6 million tons of Allied ships in 1941. Britain starved. Old yards averaged 230 days per ship. Allies lost Atlantic first. Approval? Need, not faith. Richmond rose from mudflats January to December 1941. Kaiser's dam crews built it. Shocked old engineers. No giant gantry cranes. No long ways. Like Alto plant, prefab zones ringed 7 parallel ways. Rails hold 150-ton steel chunks. Cranes every 100 feet lifted full sections. John Riley, Bethlehem Steel's top architect, 30-year vet, toured May 1941. Confidential report. Kaiser broke every layout rule I know. Prefab spots too vast, cranes overkill, ways too short. Yet built for his claim, fast prefab joins. Workers arrived next. Old yards tapped maritime clans, father-to-son skills. Kaiser adds, blanketed papers. 20% above wages, train all comers. First batch hit Richmond August 19, 41. Simple repeats from assembly lines crushed. October 1941, over 10,000 workers, fewer than 200 with sea time. Old welders apprenticed 4 years. Kaiser's trainers taught one task in 2 weeks. Bulkhead verticals, deck horizontals, hull curves, repeat only. Late 1941, early 1942, times plunged. First Liberty, 197 days. Second, 169. Fifth, 128. 10th, 97. Spring 1942, 70 days average. Old yards gaped, untrained beat skilled, prefab proved king. Not keel-up sequence, sections built parallel, bow crew welds while stern, decks, engines rise separate, cranes drop them, join fast. Elbert Wooding, Yard 2 boss, told Fortune 1943. Old way, engine after room after hull, weeks. Kaiser, parallel, hull welds, as engine builds. Drop ready engine in ready room. Hours, stats stunned. Old yard, 50 men, cram engine in 3 weeks. Kaiser, 200 in open shop 5 days. Crane drops whole in 8 hours. Old rights vanished. Detailed plans? Kaiser simplified. Basic sizes. Worker calls details. Old reckless. Kaiser flexible. Vice Admiral Howard Vickery fought it. Career officer. Minutes show shift. January 1942. Opposed cuts. Ships need precision. March. Kaiser outpaced old by 40%. June 70. Learned perfect kills good. Kaiser's ships no beauties. Adequate. Delivered more than perfects in dock. Spring-summer 1942. Race brewed. 7 Kaiser yards. California, Oregon, Washington. Son Edgar ran Portland. Bedford, Richmond. Contest, fastest. Papers scored like sports. Records fell. Oregon's Joseph Med Teal, 10 days, September 19th, 42. Vickery halted stunts. Distract real goals. But sparked belief, speed expected. November 1942, climaxed. Vice Admiral Land toured Richmond. To press, improved, but lags other mass makes. Bedford heard, challenged, under 10 days keel to launch. Half teals. Land okayed, if no regular snag. Bedford picked 47th hull, Yard 2. SS Robert E. Peary, Arctic hero namesake. Sunday, November 8th, 1 minute past midnight start. 1,000 workers, tight shifts. History's boldest. Prefab peaked. All major bits built, checked, staged pre-keel. Bow, 50 pieces, welded, anchors, chains, quarters ready. Stern, steering, shaft, aft spaces. 4 holds, steel boxes, weighted. Engine, 140-ton triple steam from Sunnyvale. Mounted, tested. Old, months keel deck. Kaiser, near complete ship, in days. Day 4, hull done, engine in, decks up, holds set, steering fixed. Thursday, November 12th, 3:30 p.m. 4 days, 15 hours, 29 minutes, post-keel. Peary slid to bay. Delivered, November 15th, 7 days, 14 hours, 32 minutes, keel delivery record. Crowd, brass, officers, rivals, press. Expected flop or fake. Saw working ship. Minor fits left. Land spoke for newsreels. 6 months back. Impossible. 3,000 years wisdom. No 5-day ship. Kaiser killed old truth. All yards adopt now. Old builders shattered. Yards that mocked 18 months prior sent engineers. New York shipbuilding press toured December 1942. Ord memo. Kaiser did impossible by ignoring limits. Manufacturing, not craft. Simplified, not perfect. Standardized, not custom. Mass untrained, not elite. 1/10 time, 2/3 cost. Adopt or die. Early 1943. Kaiser remade United States Maritime. 18 yards used prefab, weld. Average, 230 to 42 days. Mid-1943. 3 liberties daily. Outpaced U-boat sinks. Workforce crushed aid guilds. Peak 1944, 196,000. Over 40,000 women. 27% Richmond. Northwest Yards, 31,000 women. Tens of thousands African Americans. Weld, fit, crane, boss. Rare integration. Democratized skill. Beyond war, proved complex by trained, not craft heirs. Christmas 1943. Kaiser culture shone. Old yards off 1-2 days. Kaiser ran, but celebrated. Richmond, free turkey, ham dinners. Carolers, band. Kaiser shook hands, thanked. Mid-1944, 7 yards over 800 liberties. All 18 yards, 2,400. Victory ships, same methods. Total, 1941 to 1945, 5,500 vessels. 53 million tons. Staggered all. Royal Navy's Joseph Kenworthy. Washington, United States outbuilds world combined. Kaiser monthly tops British yearly. Prude by our eye. Ugly, but float, carry, thousands. We craft, years per warship. They weeks for good enough. Thousands beat fine dozens. Postwar, boom-bust predicted. Liberty end September 1945. December, 200,000 to under 20,000. Richmond peak 100,000. Empty spring 1946. But knowledge lived. Prefab, weld, parallel, global standard. Japan, Korea, 1950-60s studied Kaiser. Ools, Nagasaki yards, Richmond heirs. John Bunker, maritime prof, 1972, Kaiser outsider. Ignored sea law, applied factory rules. 36 months, more ships than United States century prior. Changed world building rest of 20th century. Modular, prefab, weld, now universal. Every yard, Korea containers, Japan tankers, Europe cruises. From Kaiser's stats, 2,710 liberties, 18 yards, 1941 to 1945. Peak, 1.8 daily. Kaiser 7, 1,490. 27% total. Time, 230 to 42 days. Peary, 4 days 15 hours. Labor, first 1.1 million hours. 1943, 486,000. Richmond 2-3, 350,000. 3 shifts, max prefab. Cost, 1.75 to 2 million first. 1943, 1.8 million. Despite wage hikes. Each, 14,245 tons loaded. 10,800 cargo. 2,840 jeeps. 440 tanks. 230 million rounds one trip. 11 knots. Old engines. Reliable. Easy make. Training. 2 weeks, average. Spot welders. 10 days. Cranes. Fitters. 4-6 weeks. These old. 4 years basic. 10 master. Specialize versus all. Losses. 2,710. Built. 200 enemy. 7.4% good versus pre-war. But, weld fails, 3 broke half. 0.11%. 1,499 fractures. Fixed by 1944. Durability, 5-year design. Decades served. SS John W. Around 1942. Baltimore Museum. Operational 82 years later. SS Jeremiah O'Brien. 1942. San Francisco. Sailed Normandy. 1994. 50 years on. SS Hellas Liberty. Greece Museum. Postwar. 2,510 survivors. 835 commercial to 1960s. Many foreign to 1970s. SS Albert M. Bow. Last October 30th, 1945. Not scrapped. Sold 1964. $65,557. Star of Kodiak Fish Plant, 1965. Now Trident Headquarters, Kodiak, Alaska. 80 years. Economy boomed. Steel needs. Fontana Mill, Kaiser Butte. 1942. 5 months early. 700,000 tons yearly. California Steel Hub. Magnesium, aluminum plants. Richmond, 23,000, 1942. Over 100,000, 1943. Vanport, Oregon, 40,000. Second city. Boomtowns. Health, Kaiser Sidney Garfield Prepaid Care. Evolved Kaiser Permanente. 12 million members, 21st century. Workers, women, minorities gained skills. Doors open forever. Tech spread. Weld to steel. Oil. Vessels. Prefab to homes, bridges, plants. Parallel, simple specs, fast train, operations core. Harvard's Michael Porter, 1985. Kaiser case in rapid build. United States zero merchant start. 24 months, world top. Capacity created fast. Limits often mind, not matter. Psych shift, execs questioned wisdom. Kaiser proved wrong possible. Peary, proof tradition, no truth. Ship's key, but lesson bigger. Ordinary trained, extraordinary. Years craft, weeks system. Centuries resist, months change. Admiral Chester Nimitz, 1960 memoir. Pacific 5,000 miles. Ships faster than sinks. Japan thought finite. Sink enough. Collapse. Ignored Kaiser. 1944. Replaced faster. Attrition math. 3 build versus 2 sink. Yards 1 as beaches. Kaiser's top. Not 1,490 ships. What possible proved? Peary under 5 days. Question wisdom. Revolution needs revolution. Maritime mocked 1940. Studied post. Workers carried skills. Rebuilt economy. Wartime emergency. Peacetime standard. World industries. One man's way. Days not months. Transformation by show. Unbound outsiders spark. Progress questions limits. Potential tops expects when organized, pushed. Kaiser's folk, ordinary. Achieved, extra. Believed, systems let prove. Lesson, wherever impossible claimed. Ships gone, scrapped or sunk. Revolution lives, every prefab yard. Fast skill train, manager doubting, impossible. Kaiser's legacy, not steel. Understanding, dedicated do, when free tradition, challenged expert no. December 1944, contract blind. November 1942, Peary launch, under 5 days. September 1945, last delivery. Proved revolutions, reimagine possible. 2,710 liberties, carried more than cargo. Proof, ingenuity unbound, necessity powered, impossible done.